Hello guys, we got a custom 1x2 rebuild here. Do a little video show you what I've done mainly. I made it 128.79 driving 2. It was 122.90 driving 2. 3 new pills, several input and output tuning resistors, capacitors, tuning capacitors. Changed that to metal clad. Did several upgrades. He said he wanted just like one of mine. I'll tell you one thing I noticed. This wire right here, see this booger? Well, I'll get the camera. Seriously melted down. That was from the switch to the back here to the hot, so this thing had been shorted out. So yeah, it is pretty bad shape. I'm just gonna toss this stuff. Pills are weak. I changed. There's what all I changed, but I don't think that wasn't in there. But anyway, they just slightly rebuilt it into a donkey stomper, add electrolytic, changed that capacitor, changed the capacitor back here, changed the piece of wire, changed that capacitor, changed that capacitor, changed that capacitor, rewrapped the output on the driver. Just nothing major. I mean, it's just this box is tired. It doesn't. I mean, it wasn't really nothing off the build. It's just a tired lamp. Anyway, straight through SWR. Worldwide 0. Input SWR. Worldwide over 0. I don't have my little slug in there, so 5-volt reverse. Verbal wide open. Worldwide. 1,000-watt slug. Average power. Verbal wide open. We're in the bottom scale. Worldwide, about 250 average. PP, 1,000-watt slow. Verbal wide open, worldwide, whoa, worldwide. Get on down. Donkey stomper like a donkey stomper does. Hello, are you well over 500? Verbal halfway down. Worldwide, 400. Verbal all the way down. Worldwide. So verbal all the way down. Hello, audio. Still doing 300. It's hot. Verbal wide open. It's a hot one. Be careful driving your box with your big 16 tool with it. Just for kicks, I done had this in there. We'll do 5,000 on slug. World. Nothing. Turn the PDP on. World. Let's see. 1, 2, audio, worldwide. Let's see here. The battery run down on that one? I think it is. Worldwide, anyway, that's too big a slug to be worrying about anyway, so. It's showing about 400 right there. So 1, 2, yeah, it's showing about 400 on that one. Worldwide. It ain't showing as much on that. Worldwide. It's showing about 300 or 400 on that one. 1,000-watt slug, I like this looks of this one better. Worldwide. Anyway, the box is, the 1x2 is doing 500 anyway. Let's get it 500. Pete. But she's all fixed. I'll put her together and throw you on there with the driver here in a minute with the other box and do you a video of them combined. I know you want to see them combined. But there she is. She ought to be good as new, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. 1x2 rebuilt. Your Freddy and 10, 018 Beavis. Catch you later.